Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use data in Minecraft Bedrock. Data refers to the underlying information that defines every block, item, and entity in your world. It is incredibly useful for creators, allowing you to build complex systems, custom mechanics, and truly unique experiences. By understanding and manipulating this data, you can enhance gameplay, create interactive puzzles, and design custom maps that go far beyond standard survival or creative modes, opening up a world of possibilities for your builds. Let's dive into scoreboards and NBT, two foundational elements for data manipulation. Scoreboards are powerful tools for tracking numerical values, whether it's a player's score, a custom objective, or even a countdown timer. You can track dozens of different statistics simultaneously. NBT, or named binary tag, is the system Minecraft uses to store detailed information about blocks, items, and entities. This includes everything from an item's custom name and lore to a mob's health or its specific AI behavior, allowing for hundreds of unique properties. Command blocks are your primary interface for actively manipulating data in your world. These blocks can execute commands automatically, allowing you to create dynamic and responsive environments. The /data command is particularly potent, enabling you to read, modify, and merge NBT tags on blocks and entities. For example, you could change a chest's contents or alter a mob's attributes with a single command. By chaining these command blocks, you can build intricate systems that react to player actions or specific data conditions, creating truly interactive experiences. Moving to advanced applications, data allows you to craft truly unique elements. Imagine creating custom items with specific enchantments and lore, or even entities with altered health, speed, or attack patterns. You can design complex game mechanics, such as a custom shop that exchanges specific items for scoreboard points, or a quest system that tracks player progress through data. While in-game commands offer significant control, combining data manipulation with behavior packs opens up even more possibilities, allowing you to modify core game logic and create entirely new gameplay experiences.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.